Okay, so this is our sixth lesson. Again, we're still looking at equivalent expressions and combining like terms for polynomials. I would encourage you to use your algebra tiles as much as possible if you find them helpful. For some of you, it really helps, I think, to see it. So at the very least, you should probably be drawing it out. I know it may take you a little bit longer, but if it works, then you should do it. So just to start, we're going to do a couple examples where it says, write an expression to represent the perimeter of the following shapes. And then we're going to simplify by collecting like terms. So remember that perimeter means if you walked around the outside edges, how far do you travel? So it's going to be each side added up. Okay? So we can go x plus 2 plus 2x plus 3 plus x plus 2 plus 2x plus 3. Now some of you might have noticed a little bit quicker way, and that's fine. If you want to do that, I am totally okay with that. And just check your answer with us at the end. So we need to add all these up. We're going to add the x's together, and then we're going to add the constants together. So I'm going to find all of the x's because there's no x squared terms. So I have x plus 2x plus 1x plus 2x. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we end up with 6x. And then let's combine the ones. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 6x plus 10. And we've combined like terms. We have x's and then constants, so they're not the same. So then that is our simplified expression. So some of you might have looked and said, okay, well, I can just go straight here and go 2x plus x plus 2x plus x. Or you might have started multiplying. There are definitely other methods. If you want to check them with me tomorrow in class, I would encourage it. So looking at the second shape, again, we need to find the perimeter. So it's the distance around the outside. So we're going to add up the four sides. So 4w plus 2 plus 2w squared plus 3 plus 4w plus 2 plus w squared minus 1. So again, starting with the highest exponent is the w squared. So we have 2w squared plus 1w squared, that gives 3w squared. We'll move to the w's, so 4w, 8w, and then the constants, so 2, 5, 7, minus 1 is positive 6. So 3w squared plus 8w is plus 6. None of those have the same variable and exponent, pardon me, so those are like terms combined. That's as far as we go. Okay, so this says simplify the following expression by collecting like terms, then write in standard form. So standard form is what I've been getting you to do all along. Standard form is an order of, decreasing exponent order. That's a better way of saying it. So decreasing order of exponent. Okay, so we're going to simplify these, and that's the order we're going to write them in. Again, if you want to draw them out or build them out, it's not a bad idea. So I'm going to separate my terms. It's not a bad idea to use different colored pencils or something, or to cross things out as you go, because in ones like this where you have all these different terms, it can be really hard to keep straight if you've used them or not yet. So we're going to start with the highest exponent and work our way down. So we have positive 2x and positive 4x. So together they make 6x squared. Notice that we're not adding the exponents. It doesn't become 6x to the power of 4, right? Exponents only become added if you are multiplying them. So keep in mind your exponent rules. This does not become a 4 just because you have added 2x squareds. Next we move to the x's. So plus 2x plus 5x gives us plus 7x. The coefficients get added, the exponents do not, because we are not multiplying. And lastly, negative 5 and positive 3 gives us negative 2. So this is in standard form because we go from x squared to x to the 1 to no exponent, so standard form and simplified. Looking at our second example. Okay. Again, we have 6 terms. I would like you to solve this one on your own, and we're actually going to check it together tomorrow. Okay, and so this one says Billy simplified the expression using these steps. Did Billy make a mistake? Where did he make a mistake? Show the proper solution. So, I'm actually not going to do this one for you either. This is another one that I'm going to say you need to do on your own, and we will check it tomorrow. Okay, I'm going to pick 2 of these to do, and then you're going to do the other 2. And hopefully you don't show up to class tomorrow with a big blank page, because I'm not going to be happy about that. You should at least try them. I'm going to do A and B, and you're going to do C and D. Okay, so 4x squared plus 4x minus 2. Remember, a negative 5 and a positive 3, there's more negative left over, so we end up with negative 2. Looking at the second one. (7n squared), and then we have our constants. Negative 5, positive 8, the positive is bigger, and it's bigger by 3, so 7n squared plus 3. So, nice short little video. However, you do have a lot of work to do on this one for me, and I will be checking them tomorrow because I want to see that you have tried these on your own and you know what you're doing, because we're going to play a game after this.